Well, let's see what we can have.
Is this all piled up from high water?
It would appear so. See how this goes. Water looks in decent shape. Considering how things have been lately with the melt, probably one of the better spots we're gonna find.
I don't like that shit.
Yeah, I get a heavy, heavy manure smell. Of course, we are in the middle of a valley of fields. There you go.
Sure you got your drag pipe.
Let's see what kind of fishing we got today. There's a fish. Barely swung at it.
Sit down once you did it. One. Nice looking brown.
Nice fish. On the board. Bottom lip. I mean, he's a full hook, but it's a bottom lipper. Yeah, there's the first brown, right about 13, I'd say. Pretty looking.
Yeah, it's got nice color.
Yeah, beautiful colors. That was gold.
But at least a decent hit.
That was not a bad hit. It was still slow though. Just like a grab. I wouldn't call it a strike. There we go.
That was a hit. For a little guy.
How shocked would you be if you pulled a brook trout out here?
Very shocked. Yeah, this guy took it all the way.
Good.
Not quite gills, but I don't believe that there are brook trout in here. The Minnesota DNR doesn't even have it on the list of species here. And if there are, they're way up in the headwaters, which is like 10 miles from here.
Right, so we got
got
some
a little orange spot on his cheek.
Yeah, the jowl mark. Little brown, little brown. Heck, I gotta break the guide ice off today.
Yeah, you got some?
Yeah. Might not be the greatest day, but better day than not fishing at all. There you go. So that's some evidence. Keep in mind.
And this was slow, low, single hook bottom. Well, I got two hooks. Just barely. Little guy.
Little brown. There we go. Fish finally. Yep, reeling slow, right?
That's a nice one.
Off the bottom.
looks cool in that water.
Yeah. A lot of dark spotted fish here, huh? Nice full bite, but I'm going slow.
Yeah. Seems to be really slow.
There's a little brown again. Dark guy. Pretty. There we go.
Now they're just grab it. Not even a hit. Bottom of the chin.
Ah, there's another one. Didn't even know he. There's a fish. Oh, and he got off. Nice brown. There's a little brownie. Feisty guy. There's a full-on hit. Yeah, it's not as big as the other guy was, but pretty looking fish, but 9-8.
Yeah, throw some at them.
Sucker. You see where I got to? Yeah. He was tipping. He was hitting the. He was hitting it along the way.
He's still hitting it.
Oh, that's a nice fish. That's a nice fish in there. Put one up there. There's a fish in there. Got to be a fish in there.
He's got to be under that bank, right? There he is.
Told you it was a nice fish.
That is a chunker.
That is a beautiful brown.
That fucker's chunky.
There's a nice fish. It's a nice fish of the day.
That is better. Best one I've seen.
Yep.
This is even better than the one I caught right before we quit. Hey, buddy.
That's the one that nailed me too in the beginning.
That was a full-on hit too.
Yep. There's a nice chunky
fish.
brown. Wow.
He's not that long. He's probably only 15, 16, but 16, almost 17. Actually.
Hold him up close to you. Smile.
Look at that chunker.
Beautiful fat sucker.
Fucking just belly full of chubs. It
Nice
feels like.
fish. All right. So we're in a tiny, skinny place, and there's some fish with attitude here. That's probably the king of that hole, though, wouldn't you say?
I would bet.
The bully.
Better fish.
The bully. It's the pain in the ass of everybody. They're glad we just changed the neighborhood for 20 minutes. There's a lot of fish screaming in there.
Yeah, they're all freaked out because I just pulled the The king of the hill.
Alpha and the Omega.
Fuck, if he's not safe, we're definitely not safe.
Run! People!
Yeah, he was right under that root mass.
People! Coming. He's coming.
Directly at a rock will do it. There you go, that's the spot. I bet he's on the right-hand edge of that culvert. Just chilling right up against the bridge piles abutment.
Oh! There's a little biter.
Cutie.
On for a sec.
There he is.
It's a nice fish too.
Yep. He never did catch it.
Think I shouldn't use that, huh?
I don't know. If he comes after mine again, you'll know for sure. Oh!
Jesus Christ. Let's try it one
Get
more.
your silver off of there. Clearly doesn't like silver.
Oh, he does. Son of a gun. This is like fishing in a barrel. Timber crusher right here.
Get him.
Oh, not with that cast, I won't.
Yup, or yes. You were fouled up too.
Man, I'm off my game today.
You hit the tree and you were fouled and the fish still bit your lure.
Let's see if he likes this one better. That's the cast I wanted.
He got a mouthful of metal. He's got a long fucking little metal.
Gonna be one there.
Shit. You hit it. Again.
Did you see that?
That was the timber crusher again.
Yep.
You weren't even trying for him. That was ridiculous.
Nice. There's another nice brown. Way to go, Chevs.
Right at my feet. That's how much line I had out when he hit.
Sweet. Another nice 14 and a half, 15 inch
That's
fish.
probably 15. Big old kite male. Oh, I got him just barely in the tip of the snout.
Another nice big fish. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a beautiful fish.
Net too. There's a couple more fish in there.
Oh, there was one.
There were 2 or 3 that followed him. Nice fish.
That is a beautiful fish.
Where does he go?
Oh,
Yeah, a little over,
right there.
almost 16.
Almost 16. Hold him up.
Another nice one. A
Yeah.
little skinnier than the last guy.
Yes.
Nice pike on him.
Nice fish. We're having some luck in Little Streamland here. Try it short first.
There you go.
There's a nice fish.
Yeah, bunches.
Yeah, boy, they're hot. Way hotter than the fish upstream. Holy cow. Double, all right. Almost,
That would be a perfect frying pan size.
Almost cookie cutter fish.
Yeah. 2 weeks from now, you go on a string of
Super silvery. Oop, there he goes. A nice fish. Yeah, I think the fish thought the same thing I did. That looks nice and comfy over there compared to the running riff of Torrent.
Yeah. I was getting all 3 hooks.
Yeah, mine was a full hit too.
Yeah, no, that one he crushed it. He charged it and smacked it.
Right on the edge there, yeah. There's something in there. There you go, another bigger one. 13, something like that. Nice fish.
He's got some fucking juice.
Double. Yeah, that's a beautiful fish there. The colors on that one are so awesome in the water.
Nice and chunky. Fish is just shy of 14. Oops.
There he goes. This guy is looking at about 11. Oop.
Shit, maybe we come here for opening day.
Nah, no problem.
Oh, nope. Thought that was a big one.
Nope,
Nice
little guy. Little guy.
The way you set the hook, I thought you were fucking trying to rip a coho's face off.
Oh, they're cute little fish. Beautiful. There you go. Another nice one. Yeah, we're hitting some fish now. Another nice 13 and a half, 14.
Yep.
Let's see if the big dog's right in here.
Yeah, get out way in front of that. Underneath that root jam. That's where the big boy lives.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
there he was.
Underneath that root ball?
Yep,
Yeah.
there's a run.
There you go. That's what you're looking for.
There's a nice one.
Fish?
Yep. There's 13. Oh my God. How in the hell did you do this, buddy?
Oh, did you hammer it?
Inside and outside.
Oh.
There's a nice one. There's a 13. Pretty fish.
There he is. Boy, that fucker's bad. Sucker hit hard for a little guy. Thought that was a much better fish when you first hit it.
There he goes. Us. Ooh, this looks good. Oop, there's one. There's a nicer fish. Oh no, just irritated.
Cookie cutter.
God, he slammed it.
Yeah, that's how that last one was for me too.
Ooh.
Look at this big bastard chasing this one. There was a 16, 18-inch fish chasing this one after I hooked it.
That
There's a big fish in there.
guy's gonna be hurting. 'Cause he clobbered it.
There was a big fish chasing after this guy.
Okay, let's get him.
Get it right by that little clump of grass. Oh! That was the fish we were looking for today. Damn it.
This is deep here on this right side.
What's that?
This is deep here on this right side. There we go. Jesus, he got off. They are psyched out.
The way the fishing's going, I'm going to keep going a little ways.
Yeah, no, I think that's a good idea. Hold on, let me get that bridge hold. Kinds of tastes, from salt and peppering to whatever. That looks good. Bam. There he is.
Nip,
There he
nip,
is.
nip, nip, nip.
2 of them.
He hit it 3 times. And his bigger buddy swam downstream.
Oh.
Get it. Got it.
There's a double. Oh no, you got rid of yours. Oh, well, that one came off too.
Shit, this might have to be our backup plan for opener. There's a lot of good eater-sized fish in here. But seeing what I've seen in this section here today,
They're fighting over it. Do you see that? They're fighting over it.
seeing what I've now seen today, I can understand why the fish that I caught downstream didn't taste as bad as I expected them to.
It's bonkers time right now.
Yeah, I'm getting 2 or 3 following on every cast here.
No, they're nice. 11 and a half.
Finally ran out of fish.
No, that one I pulled up from way down up there. That last one. Oh,
we ran out of fish in that hole.
there's another one.
Jesus, another psycho.
Look at how nuts he is. Polka dotted spots on that guy. Ah, Jesus. Now I know why he's nuts. Actually, he's not so bad. Not in the gills. Ooh, but it is. Nice looking yellow fish, about 11.
Ooh. It's got 30. Oh, a chunk of the bank fell into the stream just a minute ago. I heard the sploosh. Either that or we finally just ran into runoff or somebody's fishing upstream.
There you go.
Little setback. It's a lot harder than a fish that size to have in business.
Oh my God, big
There's
fish.
a big boy. There's a big fish. That's a pretty one too.
Ooh, come back here.
That was what we knew was in this hole. That's an 18.
Yeah. Oh, he was stuck good too. Both jaws, look at that.
Going nowhere.
Alright, folks. He almost took that rod out of my hand. Look at that beaut.
That's a beaut.
He looks 18.
Nice and thick. Nice color.
He is 17 3/4.
Fish 5/18. Very nice.
Beautiful. Look at the kype on him.
Yeah.
Male. Beautiful fish. Sorry, buddy. Didn't mean to slam you.
He's alright. Knew there was a big boy in this pool.
Hell yeah.
Underneath it. Pretty stuff. With that much current, I bet that's a huge cut. Slippery clay.
Another nice fish.
Nice 14, 15.
Yeah, he's 15 for sure.
Oh, bugger.
Look at that guy.
Nice fish.
Yeah. There's a nice one.
Thanks, sir.
Nice fish.
Free train too.
Beaut. Yeah, it's a nice looking one. Just continues, folks.
Yeah, this one was about 14 and some change. God, those fish are strong. Must be all those riffles.
Yep. There we go. Looks like a nice fish.
Foul hook? They keep following me.
That is a nice fish, though.
Nice 12
Cool
fish.
polka dots on that guy.
Yeah.
Silver halos throughout. Oh, 2 biters.
Clearly it's really slowing down.
Fight's over.
Okay, another one.
Oh, a bumper day today. A nice 12, 11? 11 any. That guy got stabbed by a heron for sure. Wow.
Probably why he lives under a barn. Just pole hop until we get to the road.
So that ends up being a pretty spectacular outing. Many fish. I lost count. It's got to be 40, 50, maybe 60. I don't know. But a lot of good brown trout action. No brook trout here. And thanks for watching. Happy fishing.